I'm very thankful to the people of Wayanad to go out and vote for Priyanka. They have seen how they've known of Priyanka through Rahul, and now they saw Priyanka go to every corner of Wayanad and meet them and understand their issues and and definitely make promises and also tell them that that I'm here with them. She's their family now, and they have to protect her as well. But she will fulfill all the promises, and I mean, I will still say it's just the leads are good. I'm happy, but I will congratulate her fully when we have a full, all 18 rounds are counted. I mean, I think 6 or 7 rounds are counted at the moment. But yeah, celebrations have begun. Mostly that people are very happy around India that Priyanka has taken her first step to be in Parliament. And she's not only campaigning and she's not only, at an election time or meeting people otherwise, but now she's a member of Parliament. She will be a member of Parliament because of the people of Wayanad. And I think most of all people are sure that whatever issues around the country that are there, now she'll be in Parliament. She'll be able to look in the eyes of all the opposition leaders and say it, with full vigor and strength that whatever the issues of the people are, to find a resolve for them. I did say congratulations to her because I saw the leads were good. But she said, let's wait till the 18 rounds are done, which I think is the way she's done. She's seen that with her father, Rajiv ji, Sonia ji, and for Rahul, and for everybody in her family. So she's also going to wait for, the 18 rounds to be counted, and then she can meet everybody, and then she'll accept her congratulations. I think I'm glad you're asking that question because in media I only see the talks about Maharashtra going on. But we should talk about Jharkhand as well because I think people of Jharkhand have won. They are very happy. They made a decision in favor of the alliance and against the BJP. And so I think it's good. Sometimes you win some places, and sometimes you lose some places. But even in the losing, I think the opposition should get together to see how we can progress in that state. Do well and help them. Help the state progress is what I'm seeing. I'm not seeing individually that who wins or loses as such. It's Priyanka's time. I don't want to take away anything from Priyanka's time. I'm always there to support her. I'm always wanted her to be in Parliament rather than only campaigning and for the Congress. And she'll be a member of Parliament soon enough, and she'll take the issues of the people up. And I support her fully, and so do my children. And I think I'll keep working hard. And if the people so desire that I should be in politics, we'll look at it at that time. Right now, I'm here to just congratulate Priyanka and the people for the love and affection and support they give me. And definitely, their celebration from the morning because they expected that anywhere, if Priyanka stood from anywhere in India, that she would win. That's the kind of love and affection the people of India have for Priyanka.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఆ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.